So for today's productivity tip, we are going to go, and it's all Mac related, and it's a little bugbear for me. I take my laptop and I go and do presentations. I've got my desktop at work and clients come in and they sit down and see. And you know what, my desktop, it doesn't look pretty in the slightest. I have so many things over it. So before we go on further, just to let you know, I've tidied up my desktop before we recorded this because it just looked a little bit too messy. So this package, an app for the Mac, is called HiddenMe. So this is it here. And all it does is it basically hides your desktop icons. So I've now got a little icon up here. Bang, gone. Here we go, again. Back, gone. Brilliant. You can set it so that on default, it logs in, hides the icons at launch, overrides mission control, etc. Single click for showing and hiding. And this is it on the App Store. Now, for some reason, it's got a low rating on the App Store. Don't know why. Someone's moaning about the Pro Edition. Well, to be honest, I've not bought the Pro Edition, and I do have dual screens at work. It does pop up occasionally to say, why don't you get the Pro Edition? I haven't had a problem with it. I'm sure there's some benefits to the Pro Edition. It's got a lot multi-display support, but it still works. I don't have a problem with it at work, to be fair. Dual screen works brilliantly. This is a fantastic little app. In fact, we'll give it 5 stars because it's worth it. So if you're like me doing presentations and you need that little hidden bit, go and have a look for something like that. It's amazing the difference that makes. Just makes you look more professional, cleaner, not so cluttered. Most of us are. So hope that helps. If it does, give a thumbs up, really appreciate it, and subscribe for any future tips. Cheers now.